Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hi, I'm Aishwarya Gupta. So today I'm going to be doing 15 Christmas gift ideas as Christmas is right around the corner, and I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing Secret Santa with my friends and my family. So I did a lot of research and I've got a lot of ideas for you all. So stay tuned, let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first idea is Christmas themed outfit. So if you guys have ever checked out H&M and Urbanic, these guys have this Christmas collection during like this season, which is like really cute. They have different PJ sets and hoodies or socks. I have so many PJ sets that are like Christmas related, but I wear them all around the year, and I think that would be a great gift because it ranges from around 500 to 1000 because there's like a Christmas sale going on. So I think you can literally check out any site and there would be like a good Christmas sale. So yeah. Alright, so the second idea is to make a skincare package where you add 5-6 items like maybe lip balms or scrubs and face masks. So you can easily get these on sites like Nykaa, Purple and everything, and also even Miniso has face masks for like 50 to 100 bucks, which is like pretty inexpensive. I think really cool for Christmas because it's like holidays and you can like treat yourself, and I think it's a really cute gift. So you can add like a little note and decorate the packaging. I would love something like this because who doesn't like skincare? Cool, let's go to the next one. Alright, so the third idea is my absolute favorite. This is to get the person a subscription of something. Example, get a Netflix subscription or Prime Video or Hotstar, I don't know, or Disney or whatever. Like get a 1 month or a 2 month subscription for that person of like such paid sites, or even editing apps like Canva or Adobe Premiere Pro, which are paid. And I think it would literally be like angel in disguise. Like if somebody gives me this, I would be like blessing, sir, blessing. So yeah, what you can do is you can make like a little card with like Merry Christmas and like decorate it a bit, and then at the end like write the password and like all the details like username and everything, and you can give it to them. So I think it is a great idea. Now let's get to the next one. Alright, so the next idea is to get them gifts as per their hobbies. Example, if supposing you know that the person really likes painting, so you can make them a hamper with like paints and like paint brushes, or maybe even like not paint brushes and paints because you're not sure what set do they use. So you can even get like basic paintbrush holders. Wait, I have this thing to keep your paintbrushes in it, and I think like this is also really helpful if you're like not sure which paintbrushes to get. Get things related to what they would use, and you know that they would use like a plain canvas. Or even if the person's into gymming, then you can get them gymming outfits, or like those water bottles, or like, you know, those watches which tells you the how much do you work out. And also maybe like a subscription to some working out apps like CureFit and all that, or maybe even like a proper gymming subscription. And if they're into cooking, so you can get them cooking brushes, spatula, or the muffin holders, or sprinkles, and just basic like make a set which is like useful. So I think this would be really personalized and really thoughtful. Okay, so the next idea is basically you get a Starbucks cup and then you add in different kind of candies in it. Example like marshmallows or gummy bears and Sour Patches, and those you know, you get those chewing gums which are like those circle thingies. I'm obsessed with those. So like yeah, you can like fill like a Starbucks cup with it. And I spoke to Arena because she has like 5-6 cups, and she told me that you get 5 for like 1600, which is like really cheap. So I don't know why, but like just Christmas reminds me of coffee, and Starbucks and chocolates. So I think this would be really Christmassy. And who doesn't mind a good candy jar? Like, yeah. So I think this is really cool. Let's get to the next one. Alright, so the next idea is to make like a packaging of accessories. So you get like pendants, rings, necklaces, bracelets or scrunchies. So what you can do is, you remember Christmas के लिए ऐसा बचपन में we used to have like ऐसा socks sort of a thing जिसके अंदर gift मिलता था, or was it just my family? I don't know. So you know, like put all of these things in like little small like packagings and like put it in like the red color ka Christmas sock. That's like, you know, I think you can get it anywhere niche. So I was thinking you can like pack it like that, and also you get necklaces and stuff for like $100 on Urbanic, or you can check out Amazon for scrunchies, which has like $200 ke liye 20 scrunchies or something, which is really cool. Or you can even check out different Instagram business accounts which do sell like necklaces and scrunchies. So I think that is a great idea. Cool, let's go to the next one. Guys, literally count and tell me in the comment section मैंने कितनी बार like बोला है. Alright, so the next one is to get an appointment for someone. Example, you know that this person needs to get their nails done, or like this person needs to get their hair done, so you can get them an appointment at the parlor or like a salon to like get that specific thing done. Or maybe even like if you're not sure what do they want, you can even get like a basic spa or like a massage wala thing. You have, I don't know, like an appointment for that, because everybody loves that. So I think that's a great idea. So think about it. And also, if my Secret Santa, you're watching this and you haven't got me a gift, you can get me an appointment for a haircut, because I'm already thinking about it. So yeah. Alright, so the next idea also comes in one of my favorite ideas. So you know, you used to get those mason jars, ऐसा बहुत trend चला था पहले. So you basically get a mason jar and you fill in chits in it, which has like 10 reasons I like you, or like open when you're sad, or you can give something like that. It's very inexpensive. You can get mason jars or like glass bowls for like $200 to $300, I guess. I think it's really cute. Alright, so the next idea is to basically get a gift card. If you don't know like what to buy, or like the person is really indecisive like Rachel, so you can get them like a gift card of like the place they frequently buy. Like my friends know that I buy from like H&M a lot. They can give me a gift card of H&M. So you can give them gift cards of like any place. I think even Amazon might have like coupons or whatever. So you can check out H&M, Zara, M&S, Amazon. I think Nike also might have. I think every site has this, so you can check that out. And also, do you guys remember ऐसा बचपन में we used to have like canteen coupons, and we used to be like, मेरा birthday अच्छा, मैं तेको treat देता हूँ, like मैं तेको canteen का treat दूँगा. So you used to like buy them canteen coupons, or like तू मेरा homework करके देगा तो फिर मैं तुझे canteen coupon दूँगा. So you can like even buy canteen like a booklet or something. I don't know if I'm making sense, but ना नहीं सोचना है ना, just give a gift card. Smart. Alright, so the next one is for adults. So kids, 30 seconds आगे करो. Alright, so you can get a alcohol set. Example, maybe wine glasses or tongs or bucket like the ice bucket, or maybe shot glasses. And I think this is a really cool idea. Or maybe even actually a wine or alcohol bottle that they can add to their stock for New Year's, because New Year's right around the corner. So yay. So cool, let's go to the next one. The next one is to get customized things. It may be a mug, it may be hoodies, maybe clothes, it may be games, like customized games. Yeah, I know that's a thing, but yeah, just anything like customized things. maybe the merchandise they like, example BTS ka merch, or just merch of some YouTuber they watch or something. Cool. I should actually drop a merch. You'll get Ash Life merch one day. That's why he's self-obsessed. Okay, yeah. Next one. Let's go to the next one. Alright, so the next idea is to get time zone card ka reload. You have like cards which has like points in it, and then you swipe it and then you can like play a game with those points. Trust me, if somebody did that for like 5-year-old Ash, she would be like, this is the best gift. So I think it's really cute for like kids. So if you're looking something for kids, I think this is a great idea. Cool. Next one. Alright, so the next idea is to get scented things. Example, bath bombs or scrubs or candles, like good scented candles, or perfume and diffusers. I know these are like very generic ideas, but scent is a big thing for Christmas. Please get scented items. Please do. Please. Okay, next one. Alright, so the next idea is to get food, because who doesn't like food? And everybody is a foodie in this world and we live for food. So you can get like baked goodies. You can like make cupcakes or like gingerbread houses. इतना अगर तुम्हें आता है बेक करना तो. If नहीं आता है बेक करना, please ये सब बाहर भी मिलता है. So you know they have like Christmas themed donuts. मतलब in like MOD you have like Christmas wale donuts, and then you have like Christmas related cookies and stuff. Now let's get to the last idea. Alright, so the last idea is a very unique one. So if you know, App Store also has the credit wala thingy. So you know, bachpan mein when we used to play like Temple Run and all these things, and you had to like buy gems. So you can actually buy those gems for someone, or buy apps for people, so which are very expensive. They're for like $5 or something, which is really cool. You know, basically just buying in-game paid content for someone, which you know they wouldn't buy themselves, but if you buy it for them, they would be like, oh, that's a good gift. So yeah, think and buy, but that's a great idea. Cool. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Let me know in the comment section for more such video ideas. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do everything. Turn on your notifications, and love y'all. Have a great Christmas and have a great life, and keep watching Ash Life. Did that rhyme? That rhyme. I should start making poems. Cool. Okay, bye.